Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. At Harlembling, we produce some of the world's best handmade custom pendants. We also do custom rings and a lot of other custom jewelry. We're honestly like the ghostwriter for the custom pendants. For better or for worse, we have to respect our clients' privacy. And we have a lot of rappers, we have a lot of celebrities that buy our custom pieces, but they do not want us to advertise them because they have to portray their image. They pretend like they got it from Johnny Dang or Aviante, Aliante, Trax NYC, whatever it is. We produce probably 50% of the custom pendants, and it makes me laugh every time I turn on the Grammys or the music awards and this and that. I see another piece that we made. Look at this beautiful piece we just made for a very good celebrity client of ours, Key to the Streets. I love this piece. The client on purpose wanted the key to the streets not in gold. He wanted it's a message that is important to him, but he does not really want to show it off, so that's why he did not do the two-tone. Very nice stones, large piece, solid back, has an engraving, a beautiful work of art. This cost about $2,000, maybe a little more. Completely hand-set moissanite stones. Look at the detail. Very nice piece of jewelry. Another client went with this opulent resin, and this is a mosaic setting. As you can see, the moissanite are slightly different sizes, and this really gives it that unique look. Another beautiful piece of jewelry. And if you guys have a really good eye, and this is not just for the camera, but you see how these moissanites do not give off that rainbow flash. They give more of a white flash. This is something that I can't really talk much about, but this is moissanite, but on the next level. Diamonds give off a white flash. And now we're doing the same with our moissanite. These stones are created in a special way that they look indistinguishable from diamonds. Cannot talk too much about this because we were the first company to pioneer moissanite, and now we're the first company to pioneer diamond moissanite. Pretend like that's what it's called. For all of you guys, you really don't need to know, but just remember, you take this to a jewelry store, 9 out of 10 times they'll think this is diamonds. Beautiful piece. Just made this for another customer. Baguette stones. Imagine how these pieces would hit in the outside light or in a music studio. Guys, our custom process is very simple. You hit up Mark. He's going to be your personal jeweler. It's his cell phone. Text him any time of day, any time of night. Well, at night, he might be with his girlfriend, so he's not going to respond to you. But he'll get back to you the following morning. He'll give you a quote. It's a very easy process. You draw up a draft of what you want, and Mike is going to respond to you with a mock-up, a CAD mock-up. And then, in a few weeks, you're going to get your final piece. Made in Italy, best quality customs. Get them from the one and only place, the same place that all the celebrities and all the famous people shop. Harlembling.com.